How to install a zip file on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can install a zip file on Android. Well, what you can do is you can simply get this application from your Play Store, that is ZArchiver. Now if you scroll down, you'll find various other apps as well, such as ZX File Manager, but I'll recommend you to just ZArchiver as I used to use this before. Now what you can do is once you install it, you can open it up. You should get an face somewhat like this. Now I'll just be showing you guys. So you want to head into the folder that you have downloaded the archived file to, right? Then you want to tap on that particular file and you'll get the option to view, extract. So if you tap on extract here, it'll get extracted to the particular folder that you are on. If you tap on extract to, then you can choose a folder to extract to, or similar with extract as well. So you can simply tap on extract here or extract and then choose a folder, or do it directly by tapping on extract here and then extract it. Once you extract it, you'll get the application file there, the installation file. So you can tap on it and go ahead and install it like any other file. So this is how you can install a zip file on Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.